So in this Yahoo Finance tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to check the sustainability level of a stock here on Yahoo Finance. So once you're into the Yahoo Finance application, you first off have to select a stock of your choosing. So for this demonstration, I'll just go to the most viewed right here and select Apple stock, ticker symbol AAPL. Once you're on this screen, just scroll down to the bottom here to where it says Summary, Analysis, and Financials. Press on the Analysis tab right here. Make sure it's highlighted, and once that is done, scroll down to the bottom here to where it says Sustainability right here. Controversy levels, you can go ahead and press or select whatever you want. So if you go on View More right here to view the stock sustainability levels. So once you're on this screen, you can view whatever you're looking for here. So you can view the different areas, you can view the risk, you can view the score, whatever the case may be. It's all in front of you right here in the application. So fairly straightforward, but this is how to check the sustainability level of a stock here on Yahoo Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.